Hi, this is how to do the whip catch. Okay, so how you do it. Now, pretend the diabolo is spinning and that this thing isn't here, okay? Okay, so what you do is, you get the left string, throw the diabolo up in the air, and have it land on both strings. Okay? Then what you do is, put the string on both sticks, like that, and then throw it in the air, and pull back so the strings come off. And at about head height, put the string on the diabolo. But make sure that the left string is in the diabolo and the right string is outside. So let me show you one time, like that. And then pull tightly. So that's how you do the whip catch. Thanks for watching.